Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating an ornament. Actually no, that's false. Today we are going to be painting an ornament. This is my Pusheen ornament that I purchased recently off Amazon and I'm in love with it. So I want it in a large form. So I'm just mixing some colors together. I'm going to make the background of this a very pale yellow. Now just to spread it all over this canvas, I am using a large one. You'll see how large later, but it was kind of hard to fit it all in the frame, so sorry about that. So I did take Pusheen off of the little tree and I'm looking at her as a reference. Now just sketching with a color pencil to kind of get the form of it before I start painting. It's actually better to use a colored pencil versus a graphite pencil because the paint will spread the graphite everywhere, but not a colored pencil. So now I'm using a rounded brush just to kind of do the outline, make it all smooth. Alright, now Pusheen is dry, so I'm going to start sketching on her eyeballs and everything else. I'm using this tube of paint because it's so round, it's just the perfect size. Now going back in with my round brush, I'm actually becoming very fond of this brush. It's really good for edging. Oh, hair, sorry about that. It gets everywhere. So I've taken Pusheen's purple color and lightened it up so I can make her paws here visible because she's holding a donut on the ornament, so they gotta be visible. And I also highlighted her paws on the bottom too. So now just adding on her pink little heart that's on the side, and then the pink frosting on the donut. And now just putting on this tan color for the donut bread. And these are some sprinkles. And it's done. So this is little Pusheen ornament, and this is how small she is compared to the large painting I made. And Diego seems to like it, so that's nice. I'm posting one more video this week for Christmas, so make sure you follow my Instagram to see what that video is going to be. Please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys then. Bye!